Last week I posted a video where I showed how implicit conversions affect query performance. In my example, the performance improvement was only half a second. People who watched that video posted questions back to me that do they really need to worry about every millisecond in SQL Server? My answer is yes, because if similar workloads that are affected by implicit conversions are run by multiple users throughout the day, that may really affect query performance badly and overall SQL Server performance. Let's see an example. This is the same query, but if I run it singleton, the performance improvement will only be half a second or so. So what I have done is I've used RML utilities to simulate about a dozen of users who are going to run this query and in iteration. So we're simulating multiple users running similar workload, and now you can see that this execution completes in about 26 seconds. So that is the time this workload takes. Now let's go and fix this, and the fix for this one is quite simple. So I just removed the end prefix here, ensuring that there is varchar and on both sides of the operator, and I will execute this again, and now you can see the execution just completed in flash of a second, and it has just taken about a second. So this performance improvement, I hope, is more convincing. Now you've improved the overall workload performance by 25 seconds. That's quite a big deal. If you want more in-depth detailed examples, please visit sqlmaestros.com. If you want these scripts that I'm showing you here, drop an email to connectwithab@sqlmaestros.com. I'm also available on Twitter, _Bansal. And do visit dataplatformvirtualsummit.com, big conference coming up. Before I wind up this video, let me show you sqlmaestros.com, and you can search for more free videos. Let's say you want to play around with implicit conversion, and let's just go and search the videos on implicit conversion, and you will come across two parts, if I am not wrong, part 1 and part 2, where there are more detailed examples. So you can see there is part 1 here, and if I scroll up, there is part 2. Do watch these videos. Happy learning.